How to change currency on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook. You will land to the home page. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the menu page. After you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Now over here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Head towards the section of payments. Under that you will find the option of payments. Go ahead and open it. Now go ahead and click on this option of add payment method. Now from here you can easily change currency on your Facebook Marketplace. Click on this drop down for currency. Different options will appear. Head towards any of the currency that you want to set for your Facebook Marketplace. After you select the currency, click on next and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily update your currency on Facebook Marketplace. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change currency on Facebook Marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.